Hi, this is Els from Elizabeth Craft Designs. I'm super excited to introduce the newest release of our Planner Essentials line. We have 10 new die sets and 10 new stamp sets. The majority of the line is designed by Esther Glas, but we also have 2 stamp set designs by our design team member Charlene van der Vorst. With this release, you can even do more customization and creativity in your planner. You can make it a bullet journal, a creative journal, a weekly planner, etc. You can make it anything you want. So let's go and have a look in this planner. So first new die set, the Planner Essentials 6. So comes with a large tag page, so Esther used that here. So all these pages are created by Esther. It has a chevron here on the side, and then it comes with those little fun photo frames. So you have like the large one, it has the little tabs, and then you can slide these two in there. We have the beautiful rose, and then we have the memories, and this is my life in here. Planner Essentials 7 has 2 tag pages, but they're a little bit smaller than the first one, than the Planner Essentials 6. So Esther combined all 3 here, and then you see it has a fun decorative edge as well, and then it comes with the having fun. It comes with the great friends on there. And you see here again the chevron from the first page, and it comes with the reinforcement, and then it has those reinforcements here that you can actually fold around the page. Fun sets to work with. Essentials 8. I absolutely love this one because it comes with a smaller page and then only like the beginning of the page. So you can combine these fantastic with one of the first released full page dies. So that's what Esther did here. You see, so she only attached that little strip on this one, and here she has a larger page and she put this top over it. Of course you can use it by itself as a smaller page as well, so all up to you. And then we have enjoy the moment, I love your smile, and the decorative heart here, and then again a different shapes, 2 different shapes of reinforcements that she used here. Love this set. Then we get to the Essentials 9 set. So it has a full page again with a decorative edge. We have a beautiful kind of floral or little bow pattern here. Then we have 3 tickets with a solid one, so you can put the solid behind it or use them separate. We have hello, we have yes, and then we have cool as well. And watch these because we come to these later. And Esther made a pocket here with the same die set. Planner Essentials 10. So again, full page, decorative strip. Of course you can put a ribbon through here if you want to. And then it has those cool elements here that you can use. It has the postage stamp dies here, and those are solid ones, so you can actually tear them apart if you want to. So that's what Esther has here, 2 separate ones. And then we have the music notes, we have the lines to put the music on, and we have a wonderful frame here that says smile. And these are Esther's parents-in-law. And watch this line here because we get back to that in a later stage as well. Essentials 11 has pictures on there from Esther's Labradoodles, I think it's called, and the granddaughter. So this one, absolutely love this one. So it has kind of a strip to start the page, and it has a kind of a torn, as if you're torn it out of a book. You see the edge. Then it has the reinforcements here, and those are absolute fun to work with because there are 3 sizes, so you can actually stack them in with different papers or only use the small ones as Esther did here. And then this is the big ticket die that's on there, the large ticket die. It has that extra tab here, look at that, with a kind of a ruffle edge here, so that's this one. And I love that little element here. You see the little kind of a ticket, so you could even torn that part off. And then it comes with the place and date tickets as well. I think that will be a lot of people's favorite as well. And then we get to the film strips. Beautiful set to work with, of course. So Esther put some beautiful holiday pictures in here. It comes with the clipboard top here and little photo frames. So these are a little bit larger than the first release. We had 2 smaller ones in there, or 3 even, or 4 might be. And now we have 2 larger ones. One comes with a little tab on the top and one without the tab. And then here you can see again those reinforcements that I just showed you in the set earlier. And then here you see some stamps from the new release as well. We have some bullet journaling stamps, and the happy here is also from the new release. Then we get to the months. Esther chose a beautiful font. So we have the October here, and then this little, the Hello Everyday Life. That's actually from one of the new sets as well. And of course this page is Planner Essentials 1 with a tab there. And then she created another page here. So we have January, February, March, and she made a little kind of a calendar thing here. And then the last page, oh, I see here, you see this one from one of the die sets as well, I just noticed. And then here we have the stamps from the new release, and she has June and July here. So beautiful font to work with, not only for your planner, but of course also for scrapbook pages and cards. So now we come to the labels. These will be a lot of people's favorite. So it has the die sets, so all the different shapes. It comes with hard reinforcements, and it has coordinating stamps that are sold separately. And so if you look at this one, you see the little label. Then it comes, so Esther used the stamp for that one, and then she used the die cut to die cut the page here. So fun elements to work with, and you can see here, yes you can, funny detail. I love this one. Some call it chaos, we call it family. I think that's for a lot of people. This is love, hello everyday life, and so much fun to use. And I have to say the design team made fantastic project with these already, so definitely check out our social media. And let me show you, here is Esther with the grandbabies. You see, so with a little chevron. I can, you know, what can I say? Just play with it. Then the planner elements. So Esther created this page, very colorful. So we have a decorative element here that you can use this. You can use it sideways, of course, cut a little bit shorter. Then we have the postage stamps here, but totally different than the first one, because this one actually cuts out the middle pieces. So the other one was solid. So you have the openings here. So you can use those pieces that come out here either back in here, but you can also put them on top of the first one I showed. Then we have the 3 hexagons, and then we have the photo lens. So that's the planner elements. So this was just a quick look through the planner. I can't wait to see what you create. You can find all the supplies on our website, Elizabeth Craft Designs, and don't forget to follow us on social media for more ideas and inspiration. See you next time!